Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Play Store issue in your device OnePlus 6 and 6T. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 6T you are having any issue related to the Play Store, like it is not working or not downloading the app, you can solve all these Play Store related problems via the method as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Play Store problem in your device OnePlus 6 and 6T. Let's watch the video.